Welcome back to Random Rebuilds. Today's video, we're going to be getting to work on this dirt bike. We're going to be getting all the grease and grime off the bike itself. And we're going to be giving away a Yeti cooler at 1,000 subscribers. So I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. And if you guys don't mind, just hit. All you got to do is subscribe. That's literally all you have to do. No money, nothing. I just want to hit 1,000 subscribers. And one of you could be the lucky winner. Alrighty, so this is what we're going to be degreasing. The frame. Basically, we're going to be cleaning, power washing this whole thing. First, we're going to get this back piece off in the air box. And then the front plastics and then those side plastics on the bottom. So let's just get those off and then I'll pull this thing outside and start washing it. Okay, so I just finished power washing and I did get all this grease off, and I'm wondering if I should actually paint this. Let me know in the comments below if I should actually paint this or just leave it like this. Alrighty guys, this is where I'm going to end the video. As I told you guys at the beginning of the video, I am giving away a Yeti cooler. All you have to do is push the subscribe button, and I'm going to be giving away at 1,000 subscribers. So when I hit it, that's when I start generating and pick the random winner. But as of now, everyone that pushes the subscribe button gets entered to win. So you don't have to pay nothing. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and you're entered to win. Alrighty guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button and the little bell so you guys don't miss out on any videos. See you next time. Peace.